How to restore iPhone to factory settings. Way number 1. Using iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC and iTunes will automatically launch. Step 2. Click on your device icon on iTunes menu bar. Step 3. Go to the Summary panel and click on Restore iPhone. Way number 2. Using iMyFone Umate Pro. Step 1. Run iMyFone Umate Pro and connect to your iOS device. Step 2. Choose the Erase All Data tab. Step 3. Click on Erase Now button. In this way, you can easily restore iPhone to factory settings.